America never died. It was waiting for the weak to destroy themselves. Now, we're here to finish the job.
Empires fall, legends remain.
History belongs to those who survive. The future was never meant for the Brotherhood.
Hoover Dam is America.
Perfection requires
Shut up, Father. Hoover Dam is ours.
Hold them, soldiers of Eagle. You call yourselves the defenders of Hoover Dam. I see only men hiding behind concrete and old flags. When the Legion marches, your walls will not save you.
We are going to use, of course, me, America. Uncle Sam is coming. So,